Hello and welcome. Next I like to show you that how to use this metal saw. And here is my metal saw, and this is very useful machine because we can use these different kinds of these saws, and there is like wood saw, wood metallic blade, and then that one is for steel, and there is then this metal that I can cut metal. And now I am planning to show you that how to first install this blade in this electric saw, because there is idea that when I press that trigger in here and this start red button, then this metal saws, this head start to move, and it moves actually in that way that when this blade is in here, that it all time it is like saw, that if I like to be like a doctor and chirurg and take my finger away, this system only takes in that way. But this is not wise to test in my finger, and it is much better to test like this bad screwdriver, that how easily this metal saw cuts in that way this metal blade and this metal stick cut. And then first step is to insert, of course, this my metal blade, and here I have different kind of blades, and now I think that I use that kind of blade. And this first step is that I insert that blade in this position, and it happens so that there is two these screws. What is this Allen key, and I need also this my Allen key, and now this my Allen key is lost, and I go to take my Allen key, and soon we continue. Okay, and then I have in here my Allen key, and there is different kind of sides, and one side fits in these holes very nicely, and I believe that it is in this one, and I insert that in here. And first I need to rotate that like in open that screw, because this my blade becomes in here inner area. I insert that my tool in that position, and first I need to open this bolt. Actually, this is not, sorry, this was not right bolt. I made mistake, because my bolt is in here, that one. In here there is similar bolt. What I need to open, yes, I check, and then I open that bolt, and then I take my blade, what is in here, and blade goes always when we look that side, that this text is in that side, and then blade is always this cutting area is same side. There is cutting not ever in that side. And then when I install that in here, there is just, when we look in that position, there is hole where that hole must go. There is, when I a little bit move that, and then there is just this slot in that way. Now it's fine. And let's look closer that how it is in there. It is in that position and in that way. And when this blade is in right place, it is like in fasten and tighten in that way that I can't take it anymore out. And then we can of course look in that side, that we can focus that how this blade is. It is in, when I little bit move that, now I am planning to take that out. It seems that now this my tool moves little bit. This other side I need to little bit move that in this position. Okay, now And now I believe that now I managed to take that out. And then when I insert that in back, we can see in there this metallic pike and spike, small bolt, and in that bolt, in that side, I insert that my tool, and now it's in position. And then I need to do so that I need to rotate that my saw in that position, and there is this locking bolt that is in there, and I need my alloy tool, and I insert now this my tool, and I start to rotate that in that way. I start to rotate that. Okay, now it's fine. Now it's fine, and then I need to check that this is my blade. Okay, and this testing happens so that I take my hand in here, and then I start to move that in this way, in that way. And now this motor is like running using my power, and that means that now this blade is in okay. And now this is a little bit heavy to lift, but if you use gloves and you have this power, then you can test that. And now it's fine, and now I believe that everything is okay. And then I connect this electricity in this in our power, electricity power, and then this part we need to be carefully, because now now there is power in this saw, and then when I press that trigger, there is safety button first. What I need to first press that down, and then this one. Okay, now it seems that this machine is not working. There is something wrong. Maybe my my electricity fuse is broken. Okay, and I repair my electricity, and soon we continue. Okay, and now this my electricity. I had really this fuse in my home electricity broken, and now when I test that, now it works. First that button, and first that red down, and then that, and then this my system works, as we can see in here. And look especially that this is cutting blade, and be carefully with that one, that you don't hurt self. And first trigger is in here, and second like in here. And this is like if you have ever fired like rifle or assault rifle. This is similar position in that way. It's easy to use. And then I showed that how to cut this metallic blade, and there is this my workbench, and there was this my tool what was broken, and then I showed that how to cut this, how I can cut this thing next. Okay, and then I like to show that how to cut this metallic, this pipe using this metal saw. There is this my saw. In here what works so that when I press that, there is this cutting, and in that position I start to cut. And my hand is in here, and second in Okay, and now it seems that these tools, these screwdrivers, this steel is so durable that I have made in there like half cut, and I need to replace that my new screwdriver. But this was this idea, and now I think that when I bend that little bit, that this part can go broken, because yes, because this is so hard level carbon steel, this CR, this specific tool steel. But now it brokens, and there is also that idea that how this my metal saw cuts this steel. Okay, and of course also this my steel blade becomes quite worn out because this steel was so hard, because it is this tool steel. Okay, and this was this my information today, and thank you for watching that video again, and have a nice day to you.